Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to edit and adjust your photos and images using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, open your project, then upload a photo or just go to photos and choose one from the list. Let's say this one. And when you have your photo, to edit it and to adjust the settings, you can only just tap on it and then go to edit image. And here at the adjust section, if you tap on the see all, you will have all the equipments to adjust your photo settings. The first one is brightness. You can adjust the brightness of your photo, so you can make it brighter or darker. Then the contrast, you can adjust the contrast. Saturation, which means the color strength of your image. You can change the tint of it, so you can give a different color hue to your photos. You can blur them by sliding this blur slider. If you slide all the way to the top, it's going to be very blurry. If you go to minus, lower, it's going to be crisper. So this is the original version. X process, which is this kind of effect, which changes to very contrasty and warmer colors. Vignette, which is the dark surrounding of the photo, as you can see. You can change the warmth of it, so it's going to be warmer to the top and colder to the bottom. Clarity, if you slide this, it's like the opposite of blur. So if you go with this up to the top, it's going to be very crisp. Vibrance, it is a similar setting to saturation. If you increase the vibrance, you will see more powerful colors and a little bit more sharpness. And highlights, which is going to increase the brightness of the highlighted areas. In this picture, it can look good, actually. Shadow, if you increase the shadow, the dark areas become lighter. And if you decrease it, they are going to be darker. And obviously fade, which is this faded style to it. In some cases, this can, if you increase a little bit of fade, can make your image more balanced. Or if you want to go back to your settings, just tap on reset and you will receive your original photo. That's it, how you can edit your images in Canva. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.